have any, right? So Susu got it for you. So you go like this, Alex.
What's your angle?
I didn't want one of those. I wanted like
Target.
here.
Yeah? Oh, you know what this is?
Sideway.
You know what this is, Alex?
Oh yeah, this is cool. We just put this in here. Oh, can you put it back up?
You gotta push
Yeah.
and then pull.
Push it. Push it. No, Alex, look. This is just like a mechanical pen, right? You push it here and push it down and let go. So you go like that, right?
Can I try?
Yeah. No. Push it. Push it down. Yep. No. Go like this. Watch Susu, right? Push it down, right? Push it in and let go. Yeah. Okay, but you gotta push it a few more times. Okay. Now push it down and let go. You see?
Cool.
This is for you to go to school with. Okay? I went to, you know where I got this from? Mitsuwa! Remember they have a toy store? Yeah, they do. So baby, look. You can put all this in there, right?
What?
Look, zip it open, and you can put your pen, pencil. Yeah, that's just keep it. That's nothing. Right, so Dada will show you how to put this, okay?
Oh, look.
So Ali, here you go. That's your pencil box, pencil bag, pretty much. Right? And see? Eraser, your pencil, that's all you need, and then the fillings, yeah, the lead. But make sure after you touch the lead, do not touch any food, okay? That's poisonous. Wash your hands.
It's poison.
Yeah, it is poisonous. If you fill the lead into the pencil, afterwards wash your hands, okay? Okay, go ahead.
Well, this is heavy.
So heavy.
Whoa, that is heavy?
Be careful, huh? Oh, be careful, huh?
Wait. Before you open this one, I think I know which one that is. Open this one first. Open this one first. Try.
From the side by side, yeah. Okay.
It's kind of heavy.
Anh là vô tì bữa à?
Đọc rồi không?
Anh đây, hả? Đi vô tì bữa à? Vô khoai tì bữa à? Đang tớ đâu một tí nè. Ai, ôi, ấy sẽ chỉ khả.
Hiva.
Ủa? Ủa? What's that? Hả? iPad? Oh.
Wait, you bought a new one?
No, that's the one that I gave you. Now I can give it to you because you're much bigger. You know how to take
And
care of
why
it.
is it in here?
Because I put it in there. So it looks nice. Right?
How did you put it back in?
I always have these spots, right? I store it away so that when the time is ready, I can give it
Wait,
to you.
but
Now you have your own charger.
You kept the plastic?
Yeah, I kept everything. Because I was timing. I know that this day will come, so then I can give it to her.
And
Ali, this time you have your own charger, okay? Dada will set it up in your room, underneath your desk, and you can charge it whenever.
Hey, tí là
Okay?
kêu ý rồi.
So you don't have to, struggle to charge it again, okay? We take it out the plastic bag.
in the world is...
You don't need to read this. That's a manual.
There's a sticker in there though.
There are?
If you didn't take it
Oh, I
out.
didn't even look.
You don't need that. Oh,
But I think somebody took out a sticker. There's supposed to be a sticker.
Ah.
So, Alec, before you take it out of the plastic bag, let's go with this. So, Allison, look.
I say she can have it.
Allison, look. You know what this one is?
Take charger.
If you open it up like that, and you stick this one in, baby, look, pay attention, okay?
Me here.
You stick this
Hey,
one in,
sayang.
right? And then you stick it into the outlet. That will set it up for you. And then every night before you go to sleep,
Hindi ka kayong
just charge it.
Sayang.
Put
Kaya
this in,
tintin.
right? With that logo on top. Then you can charge it. Okay?
Me.
Ay, sayang.
Yeah,
Touch. You can charge. Okay,
Alex, let's go
Alright,
with this one.
one by one.
Put that down first. Okay. Go ahead.
Open up.
When you see it, you'll know. What? You know what that is? Susu got you a new case for behind, so it can protect it. Just in case you drop it. There are two of them. This one is for the front cover. Remember the front cover that you have?
Oh, yeah.
It's the green one and the pink one. Okay?
And this one is...
That's the for the back.
That's what's the good one.
Yeah. That's why I got the pink one. I was gonna get the clear one, but then I said you might like the pink one better. You see? So we can take this one out.
They have the same thing.
Yeah. And then we'll put it back, okay? So then you will protect it. Wow.
Ooh, this is really big. How do you do
Yeah, Ali, why don't you take this out?
Ow.
Okay. You okay?
At least I can do it.
Yeah. Wait, let me see how this is.
Yeah, this is...
Softer, right?
This is bendy.
Yeah.
髪小抓呢，
So
就
Ali,
这
let's put that
大
here.
抓呢。
And then we'll get the... Wait, not yet. Not yet. There's a plastic bag. You need to take out the plastic bag. Wait, not yet. Not yet. Take out the plastic bag. Go ahead. Take it out of the bag. Like that. Sit on there.
Nhâm tiệu à.
That's the both of them. That's what we got for you. Okay? Oh, right here. Maybe. So when you take it out, and then wait before you put that on, we'll put this on. Okay? This is the protection piece. Slip it right in. There's a protection cover on there, okay? Clear plastic. Oh, 1 second. Okay?
诶，搞笑的呢啦，毋是真正的。
啉酒啉酒。
哦，酒醉啊。
酒醉啦。
哦。
啾笑啊！
Good, perfect. So look how it, like that, right? Always like this, for the lettering.
要讲什么
It's pink, right?
啊
You？ can't see the inside.
No, yeah. See, look, Ellie. That
你
kind?
说什么不？
有没有跟叔叔讲什么？
See, look. It has that orange thing. That's the protection. If you drop it on the edge, it's protected. Okay? It's the best on the market.
我笑
The
了，
back before, it has 2 cracks.
该
So
笑
then
了，
I
到
took
太
that off,
边
and I
啊。
got a brand new one. This is a brand new one.
Okay,
Okay?
open another one. The
That's from
put
online
put
Michael.
put in the box first.
So keep this away, right? So put it away.
I'll try this. There.
So whenever you
Allie,
feel like
the
having
garbage
the
is
other
full,
one,
Allie. You put it on the side over there, and then you can put it in the garbage bag.
Yeah, garbage.
Ôi em quên
Allie,
thế à?
put it on the
Nó
floor.
nó đang thế nhé.
The MPK. Oh, that one. That one. Take out lah. Take out that one. The pencil ones, right? Yeah.
Johnny 在宾馆啊
Put nicely.
Exact 哈
Okay,
你放
good.
protection screen 啊
All right. You wanna open another one?
漏刮迄個 microwave 迄個 bubble 啊，我暫唔知啊。
That one's big. That inside have it like a charger. Ask Susu what's
that?
that?
Yes, you can put that in the bag. Or do you want the bag? You want me to take it home and keep it for you? 像我本來我都摕即個互你啊，因為我過講伊迄 bubble 啊，哈，總講無下啊，無走的話，我想講咱會當掠起來，我 receipt 都
No,
有
no,
睇。
no, no.
It's gonna be okay, right? Okay. It's okay, Ellie. It's okay.
Yeah, Susu can take that one home.
Yeah,
We
I'll
don't
take
need
this
it.
home.
You want to
You
throw
keep
it away,
this,
Allie?
okay? Oh, 我想講你會當來有人換一個啊。
Jessica, that box for me. That case, yeah, case for me. I wanna keep it. Okay, thank you.
That's
Big,
all.
come down here. Come down here, I think. Is it beautiful?
Ellie, I'm going to take this home, okay?
看得懂吗？哦
Whoa.
，Princess，会不会读那个中文来？在这啊，在那边写着呢。
Yeah, those are stickers. 我马来西亞找一個嚟。
小底下 Allison K 呀
哦。
，Allison，你要不要读看？读看阿公写什么
Chả băng kia này. Cái-
？Sticker 底下，底下，哎呀
Right，here. Why don't you ask Papa? Read it for
You
you.
don't tell him.
Yeah.
These pop out.
然后先读完再
You don't
pick up，
read it.
先 read it，otherwise 等一下
And
pick
then
up。
you won't know what that is. Yeah, because it's gonna pop out, right? Let me read it.
Oh yeah, and it's showing.
Yeah, it's right here, the Chinese writing. 亲爱的，哦，托影公主。
托影公主。
You know what it says? Happy birthday with lots of love. And then right here in Chinese, it's 亲爱的托影公主. Toying is your Chinese name. It says, Dear Toying Princess, 祝你永远健康、美丽、快乐. Wish you always healthy, beautiful, happy. 日日成长. It's like grow every day, right? 永远都想着你 always think of you. 爱着您 loving you, right? 阿公、阿妈、叔叔。
阿公写，阿公的 writing 比较漂亮。
Yeah, it's because I didn't know it was still wet, and then I touched it, and I smeared it. It was the ink. Sorry about that, Ellie.
What's that?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can pop it out.
Wait, what about there? I guess I'm gonna here.
What about this one? The princess too. Yeah, you can pop out the princess, the bird.
I have
That
been.
thing.
Yeah.
Later.
What's that?
Oh,
Later.
Let finish. It's already taking like super long.
那个明天有空再用啦。
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow do 了 ，OK。
Open up on my question first.
Either side, yeah. Yang 出去看到就想买，看到就是有迄细项物件，我看伊买啊无啊。Pencil. You got to throw it. 阿妈来看你再找没有铅笔，找不到铅笔，所以买铅笔。Pencil， 那是 pencil。Size is okay. Size is 6 and 6的袜子那个 size 可以吧？哈，我想我叫学校读穿迄个素的好看。
I like the erasers.
Yeah, have a eraser, yeah. Okay, now open another one.
Now you have socks, right?
Okay, cover.
妈，我翕。
冇紧啊，
我翕。
喏一样啊。
Wait, Jess, let me take the box home, okay? The iPad. Yeah, later. I'll do it. Yes, it's alright. Ellie. Jessica.
小贝贝嘛，被弟弟背上。You remember? Had top 10? 夏天到了哈。